Our goal, along with IAWJ, is to collaboratively develop specific strategies for our country, Nigeria.
The IAWJ has provided consistent, valuable guidance and assistance towards our efforts.
For one thing, we have more of our female gender even going for the law profession, as opposed to what obtained in the past 30 or 40 years ago. And with this influx of women joining the law profession, I think that probably contributed to why we have a large number of women at the lower bench and as of now on the high bench. Presently, we have 54 magistrates. So since I came on board, there are about 70, but with the retirement of some of them, we now have 52 magistrates. And out of these 52, the women are 27 in number, while the men are 25.
It is important to emphasize that this initiative is not a contest between genders, but rather a concerted effort towards national development. Societies that will prioritize the inclusion of women in key sectors, particularly in leadership and decision-making roles, tend to experience greater prosperity. The judiciary, as one of the three arms of government, must take the lead in setting a precedent for gender balance in leadership.
Our focus, therefore, will be how to get more competent women at an early age into the magistrate and high courts, and how to ensure gender parity in elevations from one level of court to the other.
It's programmed to help bring up women that are of the lower cadre of administration of justice, counsel them and help them to integrate so that they in turn can also bring up others and help them to integrate. It's called the Whole Impact Program.
You have to carry yourself, you have to prepare yourself, you have to walk with your own feet. You have to train yourself, be the best at what you do. And when you get there, don't just say, oh, I'm now a high court judge, then you end there. No, there are other trenches, there are places to go. There are judgments you write that must stand out. You can't be a high court judge all your life. But let your judgments speak for themselves.
The women have come to the realization that they must support each other. And that is why at the last NBA election, all the women that contested won elections against men. Yes. And that's why somebody like me has been privileged to become the third vice president.
Further, that the processes for selection and promotion are transparent and equitable.
As you've heard, this initiative serves as a powerful platform for us to foster a more enabling environment where women within the Nigerian judiciary can rise, thrive, and lead. The WILIL initiative, which brings us together today, is a multi-year program running from 2022 to February 2027. It focuses on creating sustainable leadership pathways for women judges across the Global South, engaging with affiliated national associations in Nigeria, the Philippines, Kenya, South Africa, and Mexico. I am truly inspired by the work ahead and excited to explore how we can collaborate to achieve our shared vision.
The WILIL project was established to identify and dismantle the barriers hindering women from attaining leadership positions in the legal profession. A key aspect of the WILIL initiative has been data collection, a crucial step in understanding the extent of gender disparity in judicial appointments.
Where is it written that you have to be in the gene to be a judge? Where is that policy coming from?
Together, IAWJ and NAWJN are not only committed to empowering individual women, but also driving sustainable institutional change. By capturing best practices and lessons learned from these programs, we can amplify successful strategies globally, scaling and replicating them to create more inclusive and equitable judicial systems worldwide.